Probably the most useful feature of QuantifyAR is that you can import a drawing from your Files app into augmented reality and take accurate measurements from it. I'll start a measuring session and select a surface, for example a desk or table. Next, I'll tap the drawing icon in the bottom toolbar to import a drawing. QuantifyAR allows you to import PDF drawings and image files into your session, but they must be accessible from your Files app. The Files app, which is included with iOS, can be used to access files on your device as well as cloud storage. In order to access cloud storage such as Dropbox and OneDrive within your Files app, make sure you have the Dropbox and OneDrive app installed on your device and ensure you are signed in. Then these options will show up in the Locations area. I'm going to import an architectural elevation drawing of a house so I can measure the amount of siding required. Once the drawing has loaded, the first step is to set the scale of the drawing. For the best accuracy, I recommend finding the largest labeled dimension on the drawing and use that to set the scale. I'll tap the start and end points of the 20-foot dimension and tell QuantifyAR that the length is 20 feet. Both metric and imperial dimensions can be used. I'll do a quick test and remeasure the dimension that I used to set the scale. I can see in the display that the measured length is 20 feet, so now I'm ready to start my siding takeoff. I'll change my area units to square meters, switch to area mode and trace out the siding on the rear elevation. Next, I'll switch to subtractive area mode to account for the windows and doors. Now I can save this quantity or keep measuring other elevations. I'll tap Done to save it. The drawing is saved for the selected project, so if I start a new measuring session, my drawing will automatically load and the scale will still be set. If I wanted to remove the drawing, replace it, or reset the scale, I can do that by tapping the drawing button again. In this case, I'll cancel and measure out the left elevation instead. Finally, I'll tap Done to save the left elevation quantity. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If so, be sure to like the video and subscribe to this channel to stay in the loop for future uploads. Thanks for watching.